Hi, my name is Nicole Baez. Today is October 19th, 2020, and this is Lab 6, Muscle Physiology. This is the other paper that I'll be referring to. This is the list of topics that I'll be covering, and this is the back of the page. Okay, so the origin of the muscle is the more immovable part of the more immovable attachment of the muscle, and it is also the more stationary attachment. The insertion is the more movable attachment of the muscle. The prime mover or agonist muscle is the muscle that produces the most force during an action. The synergist is a muscle or multiple muscles that assist the prime mover in whatever action it is performing. The antagonist muscle is, or muscles, are the opposite of the prime mover muscle or muscles, and they produce a resistance to the prime mover muscle and pretty much just produce the opposite action as the prime mover. So the function of the muscle as a whole is to move the bones, and in doing so, they produce heat, which also helps sustain the body temperature. So I'm going to now use this paper right here to show you the different muscles of the arm and the muscles that are working when doing a bicep curl. So here we have the biceps brachii, the brachialis, and the brachioradialis. And right here we can see the triceps brachii. So in a bicep curl, the prime mover is the biceps brachii. We have the long head and the short head. The synergist muscles are the brachialis right here and the brachioradialis. The antagonist muscles are the triceps brachii right here. We can see the long head, the medial head, and the lateral head of the triceps brachii. Okay, so the muscle disease that I chose to talk about is muscular dystrophy. It is characterized by a group of muscle diseases, and the way it occurs is through the replacement of muscle tissue with fibrous connective tissue or fat, and that type of tissue can't contract, so it causes weakness, causes loss of contraction, and just loss of function overall. So it may look like heart problems. It can cause trouble with, it can cause the heart trouble contracting. It can cause people trouble with swallowing, trouble with raising their arms, trouble with walking. It can cause multiple different issues with the muscles. Thank you very much. That concludes my presentation.